Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it is time to make some soap. Judging by the title, what do you think I'm going to do? Well, how many of you all have had a fragrance that just smells absolutely out of this world and even holds its scent but behaves abominably in cold process? Probably all of us, me included. For me, that is Fireside Cider by Crafter's Choice. This stuff smells out of this world, and it really holds its scent good and strong too, but it behaves abominably. It is literally just seconds away from seizing. The last time I used it, I put it in, and I knew it. I put it in, I stirred it literally just a few seconds, and I thought, oh, it's going to behave for me. Put it in the mold, and literally by the time it hit the mold, it had firmed up. This, on the other hand, blackberry, raspberry, and vanilla from Nature's Garden behaves very well. It also holds its scent, so I'm wondering if I mix the two, will it make this behave a little bit better? We'll see. And the two of them smell terrific together. This has a fairly low usage rate. This has a fairly high usage rate, so I have a little more of this, a little less of this to make the full 6%. But anyway, let's see how it goes. So I'm going to be doing layers, and I'm just assuming that it's going to accelerate very, very quickly. So bottom layer is going to be activated charcoal. Middle layer is going to be Nurture Soap's Purple Vibrance. The third layer, I should say the second layer, the third layer is going to be Brambleberry's Hydrated Chrome Green Oxide. Top layer is going to be Nurture Soap's Orange Vibrance. I don't know if I'll do textures. I don't know if I'll have to do them flat because I don't know how this is going to behave. We're going to find out. This is really just a test to see how this goes. This fragrance also would be great in hot process. You know what? I haven't done a hot process soap in a long time. I think there might be a hot process coming soon. This would be great in hot process because you don't have those issues with hot process. But anyway, that's enough talk. Let's get started building some soap. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm ready. I did the heat transfer method, and I replaced 1/3 of the water with ice. So I had 1/3 ice, 2/3 water, and that brought me down just right to the perfect temperature. So this is the temperature I like to work with my recipe. So let's start with our bottom layer, which will be black, our activated charcoal. I'm going to go through our usual procedure, hand stir the colorant in, and then give it a stick blend to mix it in and fully emulsify the batter because it's a very weak emulsion right now. I would not want to pour it. Then I'm going to quickly hand stir the fragrance in and get it into the mold and see how long it takes to set up. So let's give this a quick buzz to fully emulsify it. Mold over here and ready. Moment of truth. I'm a little nervous. But before I did it, just that straight Fireside fragrance, and it was okay. So, in the first few seconds of stirring, it was okay. Just like this, but then, boy, it started. But see, now already I can tell it's behaving better than it was before. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. I'm wondering if I should hit it quickly. I'm a little nervous. It's thickening, so I think I'm going to just stick with my initial intention and hand stir it only. and see how long it takes. But yeah, that works. Because just that straight fragrance, this would be soap on a stick by now. Yeah, look at that. Well, but it is thickening, so it still accelerates, but it's very manageable acceleration when mixed with another fragrance. I think I might even be able to texture this and put a mica line on it. So, give me a minute and I think I'll do that. Okay, I textured it and put a gold mica line on it. So now it's time for our purple layer with the purple vibrant. We will give this a quick buzz to fully emulsify it. Focusing, hand stir it only. It's behaving wonderfully, but it did obviously pick up quickly. But yeah, that is good to know. So let's get this into the mold. Yeah, it's setting up on me. I do have to move quickly still. Definitely no stick blending, definitely not in frosting. I don't even think I would do layers. I'd do it in the pot swirl because that is a quick pour. But perfect for layers. Absolutely perfect for layers. So I'll let that set up and I'll be right back. Alright, time for our third layer, just moving right along. I like this, not having to wait for layers to set up. This is the chrome, or hydrated chrome green. I don't want to put too much because that's kind of dark. Now this is a pigment, like the oxides and the ultramarines. It has to be stick blended pretty well. So I just stick that under the head of the stick blender, burp it, turn it on, and pull it out. Another quarter of our fragrance. Hand stir it only. Let's get this into the mold. be right back. And our final layer is Orange Vibrance. I'm going to be a little quicker with this because I'm going to try to get just a flat, smooth top and not do anything at all with the top. That's my hope anyway. So I'm going to just get it mixed, which I believe it is, and pour it. And just leave a nice, clean, flat top, just as it is. Okay, this went really well. I am really excited and looking forward to cutting this tomorrow. So thanks for watching. I'm sorry I missed you last weekend. I just realized I had more soap than I should have. I don't know what happened, and I just didn't have any room for any more, so I skipped a week. But I am back. Street Ministry's going fine, and I will see you tomorrow for the cut. Bye, everybody. Okay, we're back to cut our soap, and the colors on the side look really nice. Really pleased with this. And y'all, the scent of this fragrance combination is out of this world. Each one of these smells great on its own, but mixed together. Farmhouse cider is the one that behaves so abominably that's just like seconds away from seizing. I kept calling it fireside cider. It's farmhouse cider from Crafter's Choice. Not real good on its own unless you want to use hot process, but mixing it with a non-accelerating fragrance, wow. It brings the acceleration down to a very workable, reasonable rate. So I think I have a really nice bar of soap here. Let's cut and see. And yes, we do. Look at those colors. Look at that mica line. Let's get some bars. Oh, yeah, I love it. Oh, look at that mica line in those. I haven't used that hydrated chrome green in a long time. And it's a shame because look at what a beautiful green it is. I need to use that a little more often. And I have a feeling the other log's going to look exactly the same, but let's cut it and see. Okay, and I'll finish cutting these off camera, but I am super happy with how these turned out. Really pleased. And oh, the smell of this fragrance combination. And I can use that highly accelerating fragrance. Just mix it with one that doesn't misbehave so much, as well as in hot process. So anyway, sorry I missed you last week, but I am back. Everything's okay. And if all goes to plan, I'll see you next weekend. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and be blessed. Bye.